This is the beginning of the year 2021 and India is suffering from a new disease, avian influenza, commonly known as bird flu. So in this video we are going to talk all about avian influenza. Let's get started. First case of bird flu was detected in 1996 in geese birds in China. No surprise, China. Also in 1997, it was detected for the first time in human beings, which was quite dangerous for us to survive. The mortality rate from bird flu is almost 60%, quite dangerous than COVID-19, but its transmission is not as easy as COVID, so it is relaxing news for us. First bird flu case in India was found in 2006. But India declared itself bird flu free in 2014 and 2017. But after that also, India has discovered bird flu cases in many states in 2021. Let's see what is going to happen next. Hope for the best. Like the video and share with your friends. Subscribe for more videos. And yes, thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. See you for the next time.